Sometimes I see something new and have no idea what I'm looking at. These critters are so cute, I had to share them with you. Have you ever seen a butternut woollyworm? These caterpillars are the larval stage of the sawfly. Without the white fluff, they are green with black spots and a black head. The white secretion helps ward off parasites. You'll find them on butternut, black walnut, and hickory tree leaves. They appear to be barely moving most of the time. They feed in groups, which also contributes to their visual impact. When mature in mid-July, the caterpillars crawl to the soil and spin a cocoon that incorporates soil particles. They will spend the rest of the time underground and emerge in late spring to become the adult sawfly. The females lay their eggs inside living leaves using their saw-like ovipositors to cut small slits in the midribs on the upper surface of the leaflets. Eggs hatch in mid-May, and the tiny caterpillars grow quickly while munching on leaves. The butternut woollyworm only has one generation of caterpillars each year. Infested trees usually survive these short-term outbreaks without real harm. Many birds and even other insects enjoy feasting on these fuzzy caterpillars. You can see some young assassin bug nymphs in this video. They might be planning an attack on the nearby woollyworms. Sawflies are closely related to wasps and bees. I hope you enjoyed learning about these fascinating caterpillars. I think you'll agree that there are many critters in the animal kingdom that we might overlook if we don't slow down and take the time to look more closely at our surroundings. Have you ever found something interesting on your walks through nature? Be sure to let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching.